Hi everyone, in today's tutorial, we will show you how to change your domain in Godaddy. Whether you are updating your brand name or switching to a new domain, we will guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, we open our browser. Once the browser is open, we go to Godaddy.com. When we are on the Godaddy website, we log into our account. After logging in, we start with the changes. For example, if we have a domain here and want to manage another domain, we might want to manage both domains. At the upper part of the page, we see our mini profile logo. We click on this and go to My Products. Here, we see a list of our domains. If we were using the Gibrila domain before and now want to use TIC's exam portal online, we can configure this here. We click Manage, or we can go directly to DNS. Either option works. Let's go to DNS. In this section, we can add something new. Here, we can add DNS records. We can also manage forwarding, name servers, host names, and DNS settings. If we want to get a new domain, we just click here. This will take us to the cart. If we click New Cart, we can buy a new domain or change to a new one. We just wait for it to load. Since the process is similar, we go to the upper left and select Domain. We can search for new domains, or we can look for auction domains. Here, we can search for another domain, create a new one, and buy a new domain. Once everything is updated, our website will be connected to the new domain.